Everyone, Merry Christmas! Welcome back to my channel, Sylvester's Adventures. Today we're going to be exploring an experiment that Santa gave me.
What's it called?
It's called the...
What's it called?
a monster lab. And we're going to be trying to create our own monster.
Whoa.
Let's begin. Ask for parents to help you set it up. Got a flick power mode switch to start creation mode to start.
Whoa.
When fingerprint scanner flashes, press to continue. Unscrew the lid
From the chamber.
Fill the beaker with water to the level shown, then pour into the chamber.
You already did that?
We already did that.
Whoa.
When heat dial flashes, just put it up.
Turn to the position shown. No, it says that one, right?
Yep.
Okay, did you do it?
Yeah.
Nice. What's it doing?
It's like bubbling up. It's getting the color.
Okay, next. So you're going to...
1. Create shark species. When fingerprint scanner flashes, press to continue. Add fossil fragment.
Oh,
Which one's that?
fossil fragment. I don't know.
Is it this one or this one? Wait, let me see. It's the tooth.
The tooth. Okay.
Could you help me open it?
Yeah.
Alright, we got the fossil fragment. Oh, just so you don't, if you don't know, this is the fossil fragment, not this one. The tooth is.
Where does that go?
It goes
Right in there.
right in here.
Whoa.
Whoa. So cute.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. When the heat dial flashes, bring it up to there.
Oh my.
When fingerprint flashes, press to continue. Oh, it's not flashing. Yeah.
Whoa, it's smoking.
Whoa. It flashed.
Oh my god.
And now,
It's smoking.
add attack serum.
Attack serum. There's the attack serum. Whoa, look at that smoking. I'm kind of scared. Are you? What do you think it's going to be?
It's gonna be a shark because shark fragments.
Yeah, possible. What do you think, sir?
Okay.
Did you open it? Oh, it's juicy. Green. Ugh. You get it all in there. Did you get it out?
Yep.
All right. What's the next step?
The next step is when
The heat dial moves up. Whoa. Oh my God, more smoke is coming out. Oh no. Dude, it's smoking
But
even more.
fingerprint said
It's
when it flashes, press to continue.
Where are you though? Oh, you're there now. Okay.
And
Now
now
what? Add the skin
add the
scrapings.
skin.
You opened that already?
Yeah.
Skin? Ew, you're adding skin. Ugh. Well, you have to make the monster.
Yeah. Get in there.
Oh, don't
Yeah.
be careful. Then you'll get acid.
Whatever it is. And then turn.
An unpredictable mix skin cells. Now you want to turn it all the way to the next one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
All right.
We're getting smoked out here.
Unleash your beast roar. This is the beast roar.
Oh, beast roar.
Oh, it's powerful.
I'm hearing a heartbeat. Oh. This is
Can
crazy.
you open this?
Yes, buddy. Sure.
I opened the beast roar and look in there before I pour it in. It cleared up.
Oh my gosh.
You
It's
ready?
all going into the animal skins you're making. What is that?
It's bubbling up.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Next.
Turn it over still. Again.
Turn it over. Wait.
Remember we were there? We were
Yeah.
here.
Oh, we did that one. Okay, yes.
When the heat thing flashes.
Wait, it didn't flash.
No, it doesn't need to flash. Only when it's red. Like
Wait.
burning like that.
Turn it, and you already did that position. So
no,
now
turn
fingerprints.
it to that position.
Oh yeah, orange. There we go. Okay. There we go. Let's try.
That's still good.
Okay.
Complete the experiment. When the thing
Fingerprint
flashes.
scanner. I think it's wrong. I think we gotta stay here. There we go. Push it. There we go. Now we did that right.
And now put that in.
What is that? Pandemonium crystal?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I need these.
There we go. Now you turn it up. That's right. We stepped a little bit ahead. Okay.
There we go. Now we need the scissors.
Now, oh, I'll do it.
I'll do it.
Thank you, but I'll do it. Oh, it's smoking again. It's getting smoke.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Bubble, where'd all the stuff go?
It smells bad.
Yeah, you're making a monster,
Alright,
dude.
come on. Could you help me?
Yeah.
Open it. Oh my.
Did you get it? What is that?
And now we
What is
drop-
that? The pandemonium crystal?
Yeah, it's the Pandemonium crystal. It's
Oh.
getting soaked.
Sizzling.
But when it flashes. Oh wait, this is beeping. What do I do?
Do that again. There we go. Now it's waiting.
Let's wait.
Yeah.
We're
Sometimes it
gonna
might
need to
reset.
wait.
Look, it's in there
It's bubbling.
and smoking. Oh, I hear it.
Oh, that's the roar. That's this.
Yeah. Oh, turn it up. Wait. Yeah. Turn it all the way up. Yep. Now we have to quickly screw the lid on. Quickly, it says. See? There's
Pull the action lever
there's the
down.
alarm.
What?
Draining the liquid. It's going.
Goodness.
Do you hear it?
Oh yeah.
Dude, you made a monster.
Which beast did you create?
Which beast did we create?
Oh, you got the same one from the book.
Oh yeah, because there's like different kinds, right?
There's
Revealing.
a red one.
Oh,
Revealing.
the fluid is going down. That's crazy. I never seen anything like this before in my whole life. His heart beating. What are you thinking? Is this an awesome experiment or what?
Yeah.
That guy's pretty scary. I think we should keep him in there. Don't open it. Don't open it. Do you think you should open it?
Yeah.
Boogeyman.
You should. Could we?
No, I don't think so. Oh, but it does say to reveal the beast. Cut away zip ties. Wait. It's not done? Step 7. Do that. I think it's ready. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Pull those latches down. Oh no. I'm kind of scared. Oh.
You ready?
Oh, that's awesome.
Whoa. Whoa, there's a button.
Which beast did we create?
We created the one. Now we have to unstrap him. Turn this.
And I think you just lift him up. Oh my gosh. Oh, he does still have his gross, slimy webs from when he was born.
Oh, wait. Looks like there's a battle axe.
Yep, you attach the weapon to his arm.
We gotta cut it first.
You can activate his powers.
Whoa.
That's pretty great.
He could turn his head every way around. Put it right here.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, now we gotta get the battle axe out and give it to him. Oh my goodness.
It goes on his arm. I think you strap it right, like kind of there. Whoa. Oh, he still has his weird webs on him.
Yeah.
We'll cut them off later. It's fine.
And it looks like the video's finished. Thanks for watching and thanks for following my experiment today.